Hey you guys, it's your girl Soraya coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a video on these Arrogant Tay inspired crimps. If you know who Arrogant Tay is, you know who Ari is. And when I tell you Tay be slaying Ari's crimps, like, oh my gosh. They be so crisp and clean, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But anyways, today, that's what we about to get into. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how I do the first crimp, and then I'm just going to fast forward through the rest of it because, it's pretty self-explanatory, okay? So I got my gossipy glue. So y'all, when we spray this on this head, we not spraying it on like we spraying down our lace fronts. We spraying it on there like it's, some sheen, some mist. Like, so back up a little bit, okay? Because you don't want the crimps to be too crunchy, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you can make them crunchy if that's the look you want to go for, but I ain't trying to go for crunchy. I'm trying to go for, crisp, but it still won't flow in the wind. Okay, like Beyonce. Okay, so this is my adjustable crimper iron that I have. It has a couple different settings on it, but I'm going to have it at its highest setting so that I could get those deep waves that, Tay be giving Ari. So, like I said, I'm just about to show y'all how I do this first section and fast forward through the rest. What was I about to tell y'all? Oh, make sure y'all hold it there for at least 10 seconds, maybe a little bit longer. You want to make sure all that hair is catching all that heat, okay? So, the crimps can stay and not fall. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking now and just let y'all get into the video. Okay guys, so right here, my track was falling off my wig cap, child. So, we're going to just fix this real quick with some needle and thread. I'm going to take the track, I'm going to stretch the cap, pin the track, and sew it back on there. If y'all want a video on how to sew, I guess, leave it in the comment section, but I'm just going to speed past this part, okay? Because, yeah, don't pay me enough for that yet. And by the way, I laid my baby hairs. Well, I separated my baby hairs from the rest of the wig before I styled this, and I tied it down with an elastic band. So, yeah, that's that on that. Okay. And this is, the final result. Look at how it just flows. Look at how it got that sharp, deep wave to it. Like, oh my gosh. Girl, them joints is swimming. So this is my end result. I'm in love with it, as you could tell. I love how it still's flowing in the one like Beyonce, but it still got that deep wave. Like, you try and dive in this ocean. You feel me? But quick FYI, I did some arrogant Tay baby hairs, but they weren't perfect. I could, redo a video for y'all if y'all want that type of content. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Give me comment what y'all want my next videos to be on. Give me some ideas. But I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out because girl, it's a whole mood. Like, look at them crimps. Like, girl, you can't tell me nothing with crimps in my hair, especially with this 40-inch bish. Look at that whoosh, whoosh. Girl, y'all can't tell me nothing. But I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out. Make sure you subscribe because I'm about to have a lot of new content coming. I'm doing some giveaways because it's the giving season. And yeah, okay. Deuces. Look at that. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, y'all can't tell me nothing. Period. Bye.